Snidex is a manufacturer that produces quality windows, mainly for the Swedish market. In the summertime we can have 30 degrees plus, and in the winter it can be up to 30-35 degrees minus. So quality is really important. We are really focusing on the customers so they can more or less design how they want to have the products manufactured. Be able to deliver the windows when the customers have asked for them is really important, and to be able to do that you need to have good processes. SAP Business One will help us to achieve that goal.
SAP Business One for Snidex is going to be a powerful tool, the platform that gives us the whole production in one system.
And we will get a much better control and make the right decisions at the right time. Snidex is located in Burträsk, 800 kilometers from Stockholm. For us, service and support and a partner which can help us here on site is an important thing.
B1 North is the perfect partner for us.
And they can be here on site to help us to implement.
It's perfect to have such a companion. SAP Business One will optimize our production.
Will help us to manufacture the windows so we can deliver them on specification on time.
The greatest benefit I see in the system is to use the MRP planning system. MRP system planning purchase orders that you see in the future. SAP Business One is an investment. We can grow from this position we are in now, not needed to include more people. And it holds the structure together. SAP Business One will have us go into the future like a window that opens up.
SAP Business One for me is opportunities.
Takes you into the future.